Howie here in honor of National Mulch Week, combining also the concept of done versus finished. We've been renovating this broken brick wall with a mason friend, Stephen, and he has 6 bricks left because we ran out of repurposed bricks. So I've gone in and cleaned up the mulch to honor the mulch. Everything looks pretty for the end. And now we're gonna just finish the job the way I believe my coach Stephen showed me yesterday. So I've got a small basin here instead of a wheelbarrow. I've got my water ready because access to water is really good. All right, I got some of that smeared in there to get smeared around. I've got a trough ready, and I'm just stirring it up, getting it nice and evenly wet, making sure it's moist enough to transfer, but not too runny. So it's good to add a little more water in increments. Put the lid on so it doesn't spill out. Be very embarrassing. All right. So I think that we are in a good way, nice and mucky. And as Stephen says, when you take it up, it could linger. All right, so we're gonna goop some on here, and hopefully my teacher will be proud. I've got my replacement bricks lined up here. I'm going to attempt to do all 6 bricks at one time. How's that for ambitious? See, that's what happens with blind ambition and the teacher's away. So we'll see what I can come up with. Got my simple, crude broom handle or tomato stake that just fell down as my level. And just mindfully scooping it out. Another no-no in masonry is using your fingers, but with the hay, it's my wall, and I'll build it accordingly. All right, coming down the line here. Isn't it a pretty day in Raleigh? That one looks a little tipped. See what comes of that. Okay, baby. One more. Good. Pack it up there. All right, feeling lucky. Let's go. Taking some from one side and packing it in the other, making it nice and smooth. Come back to it. Hit the underside. Didn't get the right brick. That was yesterday's. Just checking to see if you would look at it. Good, that one's done. See how this one's feeling? Good. Back side, can get a little more. Just tapping it in, smearing it, feeling it. Good. Next. Who's next? Great. Don't you want to be a mason? Well, you may want to think twice before trying this in your own backyard. I had a master Stephen Majors come in and tell me how to do it. And this wasn't it, but I'm having fun, and that helps too. And the satisfaction of coming in and getting your hands dirty, even if it's not necessarily the first line of choice, but it feels good, and it's a beautiful day. And I don't get my hands full of mortar on a regular bases. So yeah, look at that. It's coming along nicely. Backside nice and smooth. Good. Coming along. Yay. And let's also get our leveling stick out. Very sophisticated technique here. Alright. There we go. Smush that one down a little bit. And back to the smoothing up. Add a little more water. Just a moment. Move forward. Goody. Are you excited yet? I know. More exciting than watching paint dry is mortar set. Yes. But if you're playing beat the clock and having materials in your hand, it creates another level of excitement. Oh, so exciting. All right. Halfway there. I know. So much fun. You just want to jump in the car and come on over. Well, that's the beauty of home repair. With a little help from your friends, patience, planning, getting the end done first so that mulch is all cleaned up. Yeah, time to add some water to the mix and freshen it up. Oh yeah, that's why I wore gray today, so I could match the mortar. All right, next lucky contestant, come on down. Come on forward. Come on in. Yeah. Doing great. Okay. Good. Next contestant, come on down. Oh. And last one, come on down and settle in while I square you up. Okay, everybody dance now. Good. We've got this going. Got some fresh smear. Come from this side. Oh, that feels nice. It's like getting your clay treatment for your skin. Almost. Almost. Not exactly. But it does feel nice on the hands. It's like going to the beach and putting your hand in the ocean water. Just not salty, but has some limestone in it. Isn't that nice? Nice smeary. How about underneath here? Oh yeah. Come on from the back. Oh yeah. Smear in the bottom. Take away the side. Nice and neat. Yeah, honking at you. Okay, let's go back under here. Oh, that didn't go so well. Try again. Good. Good, good, good. Feel both corners back there. Come back to the front. Oh yeah. Makeup artists. This is your moment. Good. Pretty. And pretty. Good. Over there. Next. Profile. Good. Come on forward. Good, good, good. Get the excess away. Anyone need any over here? Yeah, I'll take some. Tuck it under. Just like dental filling. Just gotta fill in all the crevices. All right, we're winding down here, friends. Yeah, my hands are going to be so smooth. Say, oh, what's next? Washing them, of course. All right, that's pretty. That's pretty. That feels good in there. And a little more in the back. Good. After a while, these bricks start to look alike. All right, where are you, rascal? Good, you're all tucked in. Next, baby. Good. We're winding down here. Last one. Okay. Isn't this just so much mellowness? Noting that participated in finishing a job here, making something that was in disrepair, looking quite reasonable. Yeah, I think that's it. One last check. Okie dokie. I am satisfied, and I hope you are too. So consider, how can you finish your tasks, enjoy a clean workspace, and the satisfaction of finishing? You call this yoga.org. See you soon.